Okay, here we are. Let's see here. We've got an issue with the descaling blinking signal on my Keurig. It was blinking right here and it was saying descaling. I could not for the life of me get it to stop blinking. So, props to my friend here online. I believe his name is Matt Brown, for showing me the inside of what a Keurig looks like. He's got a nice little video that displays it. He takes it apart and shows. This is the tubing on the inside casing. And what happens sometimes is the backflow of the coffee grounds from the K-cup go up inside this tube and get stuck right here. So what they recommend is you take a paper clip and you jam it up the pin or the needle that is inside the Keurig. Mine is right here, probably a little clearer on my video than most that you'll see. And so I did that over and over again. And I put it up inside there and I made sure that it went up pretty deep. And jiggle it around a little bit and then go ahead and close it and go ahead and run it. So every time I did this cycle, I would look in my cup and notice more coffee grounds coming out. And the stream of water eventually got to look like this. Oh, I'm about to overflow here. So when I first started, I was getting maybe 1-2 ounces of water at a time. And I was doing the descaling process using just vinegar in the reservoir, and it really wasn't working very well until I started using this. And every cycle I did this, I'd close it, I'd run it, I'd look in my cup. Oh, yep, see, there's still more coming out. Look at the flow even increased. Just as I'm making the video, we're still improving here. That's good. So what I recommend is don't give up. If you just try it once and you don't really see an improvement, try it with a mug that has a white bottom so you can see exactly what is coming out of this every time you do it. And that's going to show you your progress that you're making. So give that a shot, and really don't recommend taking apart your Keurig like our friend Matt Brown did on the video. I think it probably would nullify your warranty, if any, that you still have left on the machine, and if you're not careful, you might electrocute and kill yourself. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day, and happy brewing with Keurig.